Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and most trending design of handmade crochet bottle covers ideas. These are hot and cool bottle covers, so please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful collection. So share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and trending design of handmade crochet bottle covers ideas. I really hope that they will love this beautiful and popular design. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and themes. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique design of handmade crochet bottle covers ideas. Pick your favorite one and must make this beautiful design for yourself for more beautiful and enhanced looks. These are very comfortable and very easy to make and thank you viewer for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new design, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So my lovely viewers, I am share with you some benefits of crochet bottles covers. So these are the benefits including insulation. The crocheted cover can keep your drinks hot and cool for longer. Protection. It protects your water bottle for scratches and cracks and fading. Grip and traction. The crocheted cover can provide a source grip, making it easier to hold and carry. Personalization. You can choose your favorite color and pattern to match your personal style. Sustainability. Crocheting a cover from eco-friendly yarn can reduce waste and support slow fashion. Unique and handmade, your crocheted cover will be one of a kind, showing your creativity and craftsmanship. Easy to clean, most crocheted cover are machine washable and easy to care for. Cost effective. Making your own crochet cover can save you money compared to buying one. Custom fit. You can crochet a cover to fit your specific water bottle size. Make a thoughtful gift. A handmade crocheted cover water bottle cover can be a practical and appreciated gift for friends and family. Would you like me to provide a pattern or tips to crocheting a water bottle covers? So viewer, if you all love these articles and if you want more design and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and please don't forget to press the bell icon. Viewer, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me friends and remember me in your precious prayers. So we were be sport me like this forever. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. I am very happy to see this. My all the YouTube community are very sportive, very kind with me and be sport me like this forever. One more time I am telling you, if you want help for patterns, tips and instructions, so